Hey guys, this is Catchy Fusion. I'm Shalu. Welcome to my lifestyle channel where you'll be finding some catchy and random stuff from day to day life. So, today I'm going to unbox a monthly beauty subscription box, and this is Ellish box. So let me see what's there inside the box. This time it's sealed properly, and I'm quite happy with this kind of seal. Please do like and subscribe my channel. So today I'm going to unbox and review this Ellish box, and this is the Ellish box for the month of October, and let us see what are the contents of the box. So these are some info cards. We'll check them later, and these are the products. So this is the first product from the box, and this is the Seren Blossom face mask by the brand Ecam, and the price for this one is 575 rupees, and it is looking quite promising products. This is looking quite promising product, quite amazing it is looking. I'm looking forward to use this. Next product from the box is white tea night cream by the brand Nature's Co, and this is an exclusive product for the Ellish box, and the price for this one is 335 rupees, and this is box is and the next product is Insta Lift wrinkle filler, and this is from the brand Cocoon, and the price for this one is 999 rupees. Quite interesting. So the next product from the box is clarifying toner, and this is by the brand Ileana Organics, and this is also an exclusive product for Ellish box, and the price for this one is 550 rupees. And next product is a makeup product, and this is the powder blush from the brand Eleanor, and price for this one is 590 rupees. 595 rupees, and there was a shade choice was there, and this one is the shade which I picked for myself. There were 4 shade choices, and I have picked this spring rose for me. Wow, wow, very decent shade, quite nice packaging with a mirror, and quite sleek, quite decent, and I like this product quite much. I'm quite happy with this product, and this one is a free gift, and this is a feminine pain relief patch, and this is by the brand Sirona, and total worth of the products is almost 3000 rupees. Sample thoughtful free gift. I'm quite happy with this. So these are the cards. So this is the product info card. All the products and social handles are there. All the product details are there, and the price for the total box worth of the total box is almost 3000 rupees. 3000 plus is the worth of the box, and this time Ellish box is celebrating their mid anniversary, so there is a 5% off for 3, 6 and 12 months subscription. All the details are given here, and this one is a discount voucher for Nature's Co, and this one is a detail card for the Cocoon brand, what the brand is all about, and all the details are here. So this is quite affordable box, quite interesting box, and this is a mid anniversary edition this time, and I am liking all the products. I can't say this product is good or that is bad, but yeah, all the products are quite interesting, and this is the new brand I'm listening about this product for the first time, but yeah, I'm looking forward to use it. And no product has disappointed me this time, because all the products are from the good brands, and all products has reached me in very good condition. So I'm quite happy with the box. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up to the video, and if you have any query about the video, you just can let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, you are getting three products worth rupees 3000 in almost 399, so it's a good deal. I'm quite happy with the box this time. All the products are very decent, and I'm quite liking the box this time. Box is quite decent this time. All the products are from the very good brands, and I'm quite happy with the box. With this, I'm just concluding my video for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a good day.